There he is. Back out here at the wildlife refuge. This time we come straight out here to Lake Elmer Thomas. Waiting on Caleb now. Gonna be a cloudy day with a little bit of drizzle here and there. So hopefully we have some luck out here today. Bass right there. That's nice. There's one. That was the same one that I hit and missed earlier. There's a fish right there. Bass. There he is. Probably a heavy 1 pounder, like close to 2. The first fish today out here. I'm gonna get him back in the water and try to get another one. I got a fish on the chatterbait. Nice. Got my reel all in the water. That's nice. Guess I'm gonna have to make sure to clean and oil that guy. Yeah, it is. Ugh, don't lose him. Put my grippers on him. There he goes there. He's about 19 inches, 20 inches. There he goes. All right, let's get him back in the water. There he goes. All right. My scale isn't working. I got it wet, so we're gonna put him back in the water. Like I said, he's probably pushing 4 pounds. With that size of that mouth and the head, he would have been 5. He's kind of skinny though. But I'm gonna go ahead and let him go back in the water and see if we can catch another one. Caught him on that chatterbait right there. Okay. There it goes. Didn't even know he was on there. Little bitty fish. That's the 4th bass for today, and he's the smallest one for sure. He's gonna go about a pound. Again on the chatterbait. There he is there. Go back in the water then, feisty little thing. There he is. Oh, good hook set. Another 3 to 4 pound bass.
Where you catch them on?
Chatterbait, every one of them.
You using a chatter with the bug bait on the end of it?
I've got these little swim bait looking things. If you need one, you can come get one and bring my scale.
You have a scale on you?
It got wet and it's not working.
Well, why'd you get it wet?
I'm on the lake. Ooh. Anyways. Alright, there he is. Fish number 5 today. There you go, coming on the chatterbait. He's probably about 3 pounds. Right there, he's chunky. Upper 3 pounds. It's a good sized fish. Small mouth, but he's fat. Get a picture with him. We're gonna lay him back in the water now. I can't put a weight on him because Caleb's still down over there with my backup scale I gave him to hold on to. Mine's currently not working. Bye. There he is. There he is. Alright, there's fish number 6. He's that 2 to 3 pound range. There he is, on her little thing. Okay, let's put away. That's the 6th one for today. Let's get him back in the water.